Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Class 5th subject Max. In that I am going to teach you the chapter 3, how many squares. Okay, I have explained in the previous video regarding the introductions and half of the exercises. Now today I am going to explain you the other exercise. Exercise 7 from the workbook, page number 41. Okay, find and write the area of the shapes given below. See, in this square grid, a big square grid is there. In that, the different shapes is given. From that, we have to find the area of the shape. Okay. Now, in this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this, the triangle 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. This I have started with this. Okay, got it? Now, how many? This one is a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and this one 4. Okay, this I have drawn it. Now in this, I am going to do one more thing. Actually, this is my triangle one. I am going to make a triangle from this. Okay, so my shape I have given this way. Now in this way I have given the shape. Okay, अब मैंने यहाँ पे तो थोड़ा ये हाईलाइटेड कर दिया क्योंकि आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाए. तो मैं सोचती कि वो नहीं होना चाहिए, थोड़ा मैं चेंजेस कर देती यहाँ पे. Okay, this way I have done. This 1 minute, again the diagram gone wrong. Okay, now we got this right. Now we have to find this triangle is in how many squares. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 3 full squares are there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this full square is there. Full one, how many is there? Full square 3 is there. Okay, now half how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Half is 4. So what we will do? 4 upon 2, that is a 2. Okay, now in this, how we will find 3 2 ja? Area we have to find. The 6 square centimeter we got it. How many got? 6 square centimeter. Now the second one shape. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, again one box will be there here. Okay, this is a box B1. Okay, this is the B1. Now here one full is there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So length and breadth will be 3, 3. Okay, so here the 3 is there. Here the 3 is there. So L into B is equal to 3 into 3. That is a 9 square centimeter. Got it? Second one also. Now third one I am going to do. The third one shape. The shape of this is how many? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And here 2 is only there. So in this, what I am going to this side I have done the full one. Okay, and this side, how many? From here to here I have taken. Understood? And from this side, this way I have took the diagram. Okay, now this way I have got the drawing. Up now, see that here, how many boxes are full is there? 2 is full. Okay, this is full. Full, how many is there? 2. Okay, now half how many is there? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So half is how many is there? 4. 4 means full how many squares will be there? 2 means 1 half of 1 half of 1. So 2 boxes are there full. So area we find 2 into 2, that is a 4 square centimeter. Got it? this one 2 into 2, 4 square centimeter. The same way, if I will draw the diagram like this, suppose one triangle only there. Okay, one rectangle is there. How many box will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 is there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full square is there. And this side we will do that like that. Okay. This much will be blank. And here this much will be blank. Okay. Or we will see that this much will be blank. The same way. Now how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. Here the 6 will be there. Then here the box will be like this. Okay. Whatever this diagram will be. How many full are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 full is there. And here 1 and 1. How many are there? 2. Okay. So in these 2, what we will do? This half and this half means 1 box. So 6 plus 1, how many? 7. Okay. We got it 7. In this 7 square centimeter. Like this, now again the two shapes are there. Different shapes are given. That you have to find out the how many squares, full square is there, how many half square is there, and we have to find that grid. Okay, that you will find it yourself. Now the next exercise will be very easy. Suppose the box are given, rectangle box are given. Okay, here a box are given. In that one, and this one will be dark and this will be the light. Okay, here the one side is there. Now in this side, this will be the shaded part. This both the sides will be the shaded part. We have to find out how many shaded part is left. Find and write the area of the shaded part of the shapes. How many shaded part? 1, 2, 3, 4. So means 1 here 2 and here 2. So area is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4 square centimeter. We got it? Okay. The same way that here in this part, whatever the parts is given, and see how now the next part is there. Now we will see a square is given. 1, 2, 3 is there. Okay. Here also 1, 2. And the triangle part from here to this part, it will be the shaded. ये part पूरा shaded part है. Okay, this is the shaded part. So what is the left part है? Unshaded part कौन सा है? Area of the shaded part है. यानी कितना box है? 1, 2, 3. 3 box are there. Okay, 3 box and here 1 and here 1 plus 1, that is a 4 square centimeter. Okay, the next exercise will be the find and write the area of the shapes given. The shapes are given, thus we have to write the area. The first one will be the 6. There how many square are there in that? So 6 is there, like that we will find out. Okay, that I am not going to teach you, you will do yourself. Now test yourself. Choose the correct alternative for each question. MCQ questions are there. In there, what is the perimeter of a square with the side length 4 centimeter? अभी यहाँ पे ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि इसका लेंथ दिया है 4 सेंटीमीटर. कितना दिया है? 4 सेंटीमीटर. ये MCQ है, ओरली हमें करना है. और इसका क्या फाइंड करना है? हमें पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना है. अब पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना है, स्क्वायर है. ओके, पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर. तो मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसा लिख दिया, पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, अभी स्क्वायर करना तो क्या है? 4 इंटू साइज. अभी इसका आंसर कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? ऑप्शन में दिया 18 सेंटीमीटर, 15, फिर क्या था 16 एंड 20 सेंटीमीटर. अभी मुझे ये फाइंड करना है ओरली. तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 4 इंटू साइज. अब 4 इंटू हम ये 4 करेंगे. ओके, साइज यानी लेंथ 4 तो ऑलरेडी है, तो 4 4 जा कितना है? 16. तो ये हमारा ऑप्शन पे है, तो 16 हम लिखेंगे. Got it? Now the second one is there. What is the area for square with the side length 3 centimeter? 3 centimeter length दिया है same way. Okay, 3 centimeter. Now here the 3 centimeter is there. और ऑप्शन में हमें क्या क्या दिया है? 9, 12, 6, 7. 9, 12, 6, 7 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. ओके, ये जो भी है स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर यहाँ पे मैं लिख दिया. ये हमारा ऑप्शन है. अभी इसमें क्या पूछा गया है कि एरिया पूछा गया है. अभी पेरीमीटर नहीं पूछा, एरिया. अभी एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर का फॉर ये क्या है? साइड इंटू साइड. ओके, साइड इंटू साइड है, दैट मीन्स 3 इंटू 3 करेंगे. सो ऑफकोर्स 9 सेंटीमीटर आ गया. 3 इंटू 3 कर देंगे फॉर्मूला के अनुसार. हम जस्ट ओरली इसे कर सकते हैं. अब फोर्थ वाला है, थर्ड वाले में है व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल हैविंग लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. अभी यहाँ पे एमसीक्यूज में दिया है, लेंथ दिया है, कितना है लेंथ हमारा 3 सेंटीमीटर, और ब्रेथ कितना दिया है? ब्रेथ दिया है 2 सेंटीमीटर. अब 3 सेंटीमीटर एंड 2 सेंटीमीटर दिया है, उसका पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना है. तो पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला क्या है? रेक्टेंगल का 2 लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ है. ओके, ये हम ओरली कर सकते हैं. 2, 3 प्लस 2 करेंगे, सो 2 कितना है? 5. सो 10 सेंटीमीटर. तो ऑप्शन में जो दिया है तो 10 सेंटीमीटर है, 6 है, 12 है, 5 है. ओके, ऑप्शन क्या है? 10, 6, 12 एंड 5. ये 4 ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है. ये 4 ऑप्शन में से कौन सा फर्स्ट वाला आया? राइट, अपना आंसर 10 है. अब जो दिया है ग्रिड दिया है, स्क्वायर ग्रिड है, उसमें 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 4 पार्ट, 8 पार्ट्स आर शेडेड एंड 2 अनशेडेड पार्ट है, हाफ शेडेड है. ओके, 2 बॉक्स में हाफ शेडेड. तो 8 प्लस और एक स्क्वायर को हम करेंगे, दैट मीन्स 9 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. ओके, आप लोगों को ये समझ में आ गया होगा. एमसीक्यूज भी, अगर कोई भी डाउट हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन पे दीजिएगा. और जिसने भी मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, फर्स्ट टाइम आप देखते हो तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए, ताकि आप लोगों को मेरे हर एक न्यू वीडियोस के अपडेशन मिलते रहेंगे. थैंक यू.